thank you for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we are going through how to process wages for employee by entering timesheet. Okay, let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster, as you can see in the screen now. So before you process wages, just make sure you are in the correct pay period ending date before you start processing any wages. So because this is a test file, we have a few pay period ending dates. The dates are in bold. These are the ones that pay period ending in this Wagemaster file. So then we just need to click on wages. So I got few casual employees on this pay run. So these are the employees that are indicated in green. So I will select one of the employee. Then you just need to click on the anywhere in the white screen. So it will create this line. So now I just need to put the time. So we are in the 7th, in this case we are in the January 7th pay period ending. So I will select the Monday 1st of January, and what's the start date gonna be. So just need to put some hours here. So say like until 12 o'clock. Then employee gone on lunch break, like on 1 and finish at 5. So if you notice, so in this Wagemaster I entered the timesheet hours as in 24 hours format, because in Wagemaster it's a payroll program. It all works in hours and minutes, not as a decimal numbers. So if the employee works 2.5 hours, for example, you need to enter it as 2.30 to indicate 30 minutes, not like 2.5 in a decimal. So the shortcut that you can do, if the employee works similar hours every day, what you can do, once you're in this finish of the shift, you just need to press F10 on your keyboard. See, just make sure the function key option is turned on your keyboard. Then once you press F10, it will create the exact same hours for the next day. In my case it will be Tuesday. So then you can adjust the hours. So for example, if this employee work only from 8 to 12 on Tuesday, not from the afternoon, I can delete the second line from the delete option here. Then I can use F10 again and change the hours. So let's say employee start a bit early, 7, and finish around, let's say 2 o'clock. Now for example, if this employee didn't work on Thursday but off Friday, so you can change it to Friday to 16 without any break. Alright, so the total hours you can see in here on the bottom, it says 27. So one of the most common issue is the Wagemaster. Sometimes you might not full screen on this timesheet, and sometimes what it do, it just cut off that next button option. So you're not gonna see it. You'll be wondering, okay, well, what should I do next? So all you had to do is just put it into full screen, so you can see the next button from the bottom of your screen. So if I go into next, will be the adjustment screen. As you can see, this is screen where if you want to add any allowances or any makeup pay, or if you want to record any leave, that's where you add the just update the additional fields in here. So if in my case I don't have anything to update, and the base pay rate. Okay, let me quickly go back and show you the base pay rate. So this base pay rate is the default pay rate in the employee profile. So for example, let's say if you have a casual employee works in a different department of the farm or different areas on the farm which got different pay rate, so you can have a default pay rate for the employee, but when you're processing timesheet for the employee, you can actually select the different rate. So currently this employee on a casual rate 1, which is $25 per hour. If he did like hard work or depend on the job, I can select a different pay rate. So all these options available in Wagemaster, as simple as that. That's the really one of the pros is Wagemaster program. We go into next. Now you can see both pay rates. So one $36 per hour for 8 hours, then the $25 for 19 hours. I go into next. It will be the pay slip. So another option, either you can scroll this down from the sidebar here, or you can click on the 100% view icon to see all of the full screen of the pay slip. So they will be give you hours, what's the rate, amount, and the tax, superannuation, year-to-date totals, and how you set it up. If you want to customize this pay slip to show leaves and everything, yeah, you can do that. And the good thing is, if you click on the taxable cross, see that mouse cursor changed it to arrow to a small like a hand. So if you click on there, it will give you the hours that we entered in. This is what really important to you to as an employer, because when you're giving them a pay slip, it's a legal document, so you just need to make sure you're paying out for the correct hours as recommended from the ATO and from the Fairworks. So, and you can print this sheet if you want, and otherwise that's you can always do this later. So once you save the pay slip, you can always check the hours. So let me quickly show you that. So if everything correct, you can save the payslip from the save option, and if you go into the employee, you select the employee profile, go into payment space. So 7th January, we in the 7th January for this example, and if you double click on the payslip, and it will still give you all the hours that we entered if you click on the gross totals. Alrighty, that's how we process wages for I'm using timesheet option in Wagemaster. So thank you everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our Help Center articles or book a one-on-one consulting and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel and give this video a like if you have enjoyed it. Have a great day.